Hi guys, in this tutorial I wanna show you how to make moving platforms like this. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor, go to game, select the person ads template, rename the project moving platform. Okay, go down here to content drawer, create new actor blueprint, rename this actor moving platform blueprint BP. Open it. Now go down here to variable and create two variable. The first one is direction. Set the type of this variable vector. Second one, select and go here, set the speed. Type of this variable is float. Now go to the event graph, compile, save all. Let's get the speed here and the direction here. From this vector normalize this vector. After that we have to go here, multiply by the speed. Okay, let's add and multiply the speed by the word seconds. Get the word delta seconds by the time. From this we have to multiply it. Okay, after that we have to go here and add a mesh data. Want to add a cube. Let's make material for this cube. Choose any material. Okay, for now I want to choose each one. Okay, now let's get the cube right here. From this, get world transform. Now get this cube, set world transform, drag the event tick right here and make it here. Now let's split this, split the other one. Okay, from this let's add the location to the location. From that let's add to my new transform and location. Rotation value this one and scale value this one. You think it's good right now? Let's compile, save all. Go right here. We need a value for speed 100 by default. Now let's set direction here. Duplicate this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Now let's add delay of 3 seconds. Flip flop. A and B. First one is 10, second one is minus 10. Now let's go here and let's add my cube. Make it right here, make it like that. Okay, and let's see it works or not. Okay, I think it's fine. Now let's adjust the delay to 6 seconds. Let's see. Okay, fine. We can add the speed here. What do you want? Okay, now let's set another moving platform for the y-axis. Okay, duplicate this moving platform y-axis and this one z-axis. Okay, this one in this side and the other one here. Let's see the difference between them. Okay, let's make it this one right here. Open the second one. Okay, make the x-axis 0. This one 20 minus 20. Okay, let's search third one 0 and this one 0. 30 minus 30. Select the cube and change the material. This one is blue. Fine, compile. Select the cube and change this material. It's orange. Okay, see what. And let's see it works or not. Okay, x-axis, z-axis, y-axis. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later in the next tutorial.